तो आज हम बात करेंगे रेनेसा पीरियड के बारे में। जो रेनेसा है वो क्या था और उसका मतलब क्या होता है। ये एक पीरियड था। ये एक पीरियड का मतलब होता है एक समय जिसमें ये हुआ था रेनेसा, जो कि क्या था 1485 टू 1660। तो रेनेसा जो होता है इसका मतलब होता है अ रिन्यूअल ऑफ लाइफ, वीगर, इंटरेस्ट एटसेट्रा, रीबर्थ, रिवाइवल। Michelangelo's David has become one of the most recognized works of Renaissance sculpture, a symbol of strength and youthful beauty. The Renaissance period, cultural bridge between Middle Ages and modern history. कहीं ना कहीं जो Renaissance period है वो एक ब्रिज बनता है किसमें, cultural bridge between Middle Ages and modern history. Began in Italy and spread through the rest of the Europe by 16th century. Its influence was felt in literature, philosophy, art, music, politics, science, religion, and other aspects of intellectual inquiry. The Renaissance could be viewed as an attempt by intellectuals to study and improve worldly issues through the revival of ideas from antiquity and through new reasoning and thought. Renaissance origins. Black Plague. Italy was hit badly by the plague, and it has been speculated that the resulting familiarity with death caused thinkers to dwell more on their lives. It also led to new wealth. Population in Europe went from 4.2 million to 2.8 million. As a result of this mass decimation, the work class became more valued and the commoners came to enjoy more freedom. Survivors of the plague found that food was cheaper, and many of them inherited property from their dead relatives. Desired to retrieve and study Latin and Greek literary, historical, and oratorical text, development of printing press was made easier to obtain works. Social and political structures in Italy switched from